Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to send scripts through pharmacy integrations. Pharmacy integration enables the practitioner to send the patient's script directly to the pharmacy of their choice. The patient will then be given an order number which will allow the prescription to be picked up. Sending the prescription directly to the pharmacy saves the patient time and provides convenience, as the medication will be packed and ready for collection when the patient arrives at their selected pharmacy. Using the pharmacy integration feature will eliminate the possibility that the patient will misplace the prescription before picking up their medication. The pharmacy integration feature will also assist with medication adherence, which increases the likelihood that a patient would pick up their medication from the pharmacy. In this video, we will start on the script screen. For more information regarding how to navigate to the script screen, please refer to the basic script features user manual linked in this video's description. Once satisfied with the content of the script, click on the Pharmacy button. The Send Script to Pharmacy screen will open on the Pharmacy section. Click on the search field to type the name of the desired pharmacy where the patient will collect their medication from. Click on the desired pharmacy to make a selection. The Send Script to Pharmacy screen will open on the selected pharmacy section. An explanation will now be given for the details that will appear. Code is the pharmacy's unique identification number as registered with the South African Pharmacy Council. Name is the name of the pharmacy that the user has selected. Address is the physical address where the selected pharmacy is located. Click on the Choose Another Pharmacy button to change the pharmacy that has been selected if the wrong pharmacy was selected. The details of the newly selected pharmacy will now display here. Click on the Order Method drop-down menu to specify the type of script order. The patient will have the option to collect their medication or have it delivered to an address of their choice. Click on the Payment Type drop-down menu to select how the patient will pay for the medication. Please note that how the patient will pay for their script order will determine how their script is processed, which makes the process of collection faster. Medical aid is the payment of the script order that will be processed and claimed through the medical aid benefits. Cash means the payment for the script order will be done using a credit card, debit card, physical cash, or any other accepted payment method that is not the medical aid. Click on the Comments free text field to add additional notes. Tick the Urgent checkbox to inform the pharmacy that the patient will immediately be on their way to collect the prescribed medication. Click on the Close button to exit the Send Script to Pharmacy screen without saving. Click on the Send button to send the script order to the selected pharmacy to process the request. An attention pop-up will appear to advise the practitioner that the script was submitted successfully. Click on the OK button to acknowledge and close the pop-up and return to the script screen. Information regarding where the script order was sent and the order number will appear at the top of the script screen. An explanation will be given for the information that has appeared. Sent to is the name of the pharmacy where the order for the script has been sent for processing and where the patient will collect the prescription order from. Order number is a confirmation number that the practitioner is able to give to the patient as a reference when collecting the medication. Please note that once the patient arrives at their selected pharmacy, they will be able to visit the collection counter with their order number and collect their medication. The information regarding where the script was sent and the order number will also be printed onto the patient's script. Once a script has been sent to the pharmacy, the practitioner can duplicate the script when the patient returns for a renewal. The script details will remain the same, but the patient will receive a new order number and will not be able to reuse the previous order number. Click on the Print button to print the created script. Select the preferred printer from the print screen. Click on the Cancel button to cancel the print job, or click Print to continue to print your script. And lastly, you can click on the Close button to close the screen without saving any changes. Click on the Save and Close button to save your changes and return to the previous screen.